Hello, children. How are you? Hope all are doing well. Yes, today again we are going to start a new session. In this chapter, we are going to learn the lifestyle of the people. So, before that, I would like to tell you and I would like to ask you some few questions. Okay, children. So, are you ready to give the answers to me, children? Yes, very good. So, in previous lesson, what we learned, children? In previous lesson, we learned about communities and festivals. That is the sixth lesson. And in fifth lesson, what we learned? In fifth lesson, we learned about food and dressing style of the people. So, in communities and festivals, we had one topic, that is harvesting. Harvesting means what, children? The crops which are ready to ripen. That is called the harvesting. Who are doing this harvesting? Who are doing, children? Farmer. Oh, well, good. You are reading at home and what the teacher is telling that you are grasping too fast. Very good, children. I appreciate you. Yes, good. So, every day if you will do like that means you will get more and more new things in the class. Yes, children, very good, superb. So, I would like to ask you some more questions. Who is farmer? Farmer is the person who grows the crops. Okay. So, because of that, they will celebrate the festival of harvest. And we discussed what is community. Community is a group of people where gather together and they discuss about the culture and about the tradition and about the peace of the society, harmony of the society, friendship of the society. Yes, so these are the different kinds of people doing in their lives. So based upon that only, we are going to discuss about a new lesson. What is that new lesson? Are you eager to know about the new lesson, children? Very good. Yes, Preeti, are you ready to learn? Yes. Can you tell me what is that? Yes, we learned about the farmer, right, in the previous lesson. So, based upon that, can you tell me the new lesson name? Yes, our new lesson name is Things We Make and Do It. Things we make and do. This is our new lesson. Okay, children. Things we make and do it. What are the things we make and do it? What are all this? What we will do? What we will make? I'll ask you one question. Like every day your mother will make a delicious food. Yes, you will eat it. Will you touch it? Yes, of course you will touch it. You will have it. You will taste it. You will get different types of taste. What your mother will cook every day. What she is making? She is making a food. Yes, like that. The people will make so many things. Like for example, I'll show you. You love it very much. Okay, children. What is that? Yes. What is this, children? This is a teddy bear. What is this? Oh, wow. Boom. Boom. What is this, children? This is a teddy bear. Who made this? Who did this? Me? You? No. Then who did this? Who did this? The toy maker. Who did this? The toy maker. I love very much. This is my teddy. I love him very much. Yes, teddy. Yes. So these are all the things the people will do in their lives. If the person will not do teddy, will you play with the teddy? No, you cannot play with the teddy. Yes, children. So like that only. Other peoples are also there. They will do their work in their daily life. What are they? Just we will go in depth. Okay. Different jobs and works and occupations are called what? Things we make and do. This is the things we make and do. Work, job or occupation. What are all this work, job and occupation? Every day your father will go to job, or otherwise he will do the business, or otherwise he will have some shops like grocery shops and like a textile shop, or otherwise some toy shop, or like a computer shop, laptops, like that, mobile phone shops. These are all will be there. So what are all this? You can touch it, right? That are all you can touch it. You can, like this, you can touch it and you can feel it. Yes. So these are all the making, creating and showing their skills, presenting in front of others. Like this toy, the person who did this person is doing some creativity on this toy. See, here the nose is different, the eyes, the nose here, mouth and the stomach and the hands and legs. See, the legs are having different patch of color cloth. So this is made up of fur. So ears. These are all what? These are all the creativity of the person. This is the creativity of a person which comes out to show the skills and interest and their creativity to show the others what they can do. Like that only. That is called creativity. Depends upon the person, depends upon the skills and depends upon the interest what they learned. For example, your father or your mother, they are from software field. What they learned? Maybe your father is from software field. He learned more about the computer. Yes, children, more about the computer they learned. What is computer? You all know. In everybody home, computers, laptops, tabs are available nowadays. Yes, you are playing too much with mobile phones and you are using beyond the limits. Nowadays you are having long holidays, so you are enjoying with the mobiles and you are not at all listening to your parents, and when we are calling to your parents, they are complaining on you the same thing that my children is not listening, madam. And they are playing with, they are busy with the mobile phones. They are telling like that. So don't do that, children. Sit and play anything. Like you can play like a Logo, snake and ladder, caroms, chess. If you will play with this type of indoor games, means you will improve your memory. You can improve your memory also. If you will play all the time with the mobiles and all, means you will lose your memory power and it affects to your health also. So these are all the things you should not do. You should avoid it for some time and you should listen to your parents. Don't be arrogant with your parents also. Yes, children, this is a very bad habit. I am listening from each and every parent that my kid is doing like that, madam. So don't do this, children. Okay, I am requesting you to don't play with the mobile phones and don't play much video games. Okay, this is a summer season. It affects your eyes. Okay, so come back to the lesson. So we are discussing about the software. Software means what? The people who work with software in the computer. They will load something, they upload some software, they will do some software works. Yes, IT. That is called the IT profession. IT profession or IT occupation. So like this, so many occupations are there which we cannot feel, which we cannot touch it. Just we can see the actions what they are doing. Like your teacher. Your teacher will stand in front of you and she will teach you. What she teach you, you can touch it? No, you cannot. You can feel it. You can feel it like this? No, you cannot feel it. Like a toy, like a teddy bear. You cannot feel. So you can keep it in your brain, only you can listen, only you can see, only you can keep it in your brain, that's it. So this type of people do work to earn money. Everyone will work to they will work for money, for their comfort life. So people choose their occupation according to their interest and according to their skills and what they learn. So this is the occupation. So comes to the next part. See here, interest, occupation or work, interest, what they learn, education and skill. Interest means what? See, some people want to learn about interest means they are like math they want to do much, and some people want to learn about science, and some people want to learn about social, and some people want to learn about English, and some people want to learn about Hindi, and some people want to learn about Telugu. So these are all what? These are all the interest which we show on particular thing or subject. Okay, these are all called the interest. These are all the subjects which you learn in the childhood, but after coming to the job, you will have different interest, like on computers, on doctor, like doctor profession, or teaching profession, or software, okay, like aeroplane, air hostess, aeronautics. These are all the different interest according to their people. So occupation or work. Education, comes to education. The education, what the people will, what the person can learn, what the person educated him according to his interest, that will show his skill, that will show his skills. Okay children, that is show his skill. So depend upon his skills, they can earn money for their comfort life. What they learn, that comes out and they will earn money. So these are the things which we can do in our daily life. Occupation, job or work. Only their action can be seen. For example, doctor, police, teacher, nurse, sweeper, barber. See their work every day. Every day we will see their work. Doctor will see the patients. Police will look after the public. Teacher teaches the students. Nurse treats the patients. Sweeper sweeps the roads. Barber cuts the hair. So these are the things which we will see. Only we can see. We cannot touch their work. Look at here children. People who makes skills, interest, creating means what they will create in a new method. How I showed you the teddy bear, like that is called a creativity. So skills means capacity. Skill means the person can do the work, how much the capacity the person is having, that is called the capacity of doing in a new method, new innovative way, that is a skill. Interest, if the person is having interest, then only the person can do it, otherwise they cannot do it. Creativity, day by day the people are creating more and more in an innovative way and method, that is called a creativity and innovation. We can see and feel, touch their work. For example, pot, I will show you. See this pot children. The person who makes this pot, it's really amazing. The clay they will mix in the water, and they will do this clay very nicely and beautifully. This we can touch it. the part which we can touch and we can feel it. For example, pot, now what we saw and what we feel, what I feel it. So for this making, the time consumption will be there. It is not like a day to day work or hours work. This is like a days, weeks, months and years. It may took 1 day, 2 days, week or months or years. These people who makes, it's depend upon the consumption of time. It will take a time consumption. Okay, children. Farmer, he will take much time to grow crops because the crops needs much time. Immediately it will not grow the crops. Potter, which I showed you this pot. Factory worker, chef, carpenter, goldsmith, cobbler and many other workers. They want the time to do it. Immediately it will not do. Immediately it will not make within minutes or within hours. It will take some time to do it, this people. So these are the people are showing their creativity and showing their interest and skills. Okay, children. Policeman is a monitor of the country. At present, the whole world is suffering with coronavirus. Because of that, we are in the lockdown period. So the people should be under control. So because of that purpose, the policemen took a charge to control the people. Public should not cross the rules. So because of that, every policeman are working day and night. They are not even going to houses also. Like that, they are struggling with the job for the public welfare. So because of that, they are called as monitors of the country. We should respect them because even they are not having their food properly. Doctors, police, they took a charge of the people to protect the public from the COVID-19 of coronavirus. Even while treating the patients, even some doctors also got the virus. Even they attacked the virus. So they need to be more careful while treating the patients. Even they should take more precaution. Doctors who are working for the patients to cure them, to protect the people from the coronavirus. These are the doctors. Really, we have to give applause to them. Hats off to the doctors. We have to respect all the occupation of the people who are working. Yes, children, just have a look how the GHMC people, they are working. And they are cleaning all the roads, all the places. They are not even caring of their life. They are struggling like anything for the public welfare. How they are cleaning the roads every day. Normally, the sweepers, the GHMC people, they will work. They will start the work from the early morning. Because no one will be there on the roads at that time. The sweepers will clean the roads. So if they will not be there, think how we will live. So because by respecting them, we should not throw anything, we should not split anything, and we should not do our society dirty. We should protect ourselves and we should protect our environment also. See how they are struggling. Really, children, from now onwards, till now what happens is past, but now onwards we should protect our environment, keep our environment clean and neat, and also our home. Wash your hands properly, even and often use sanitizer and keep yourself safe. Okay, children. Next, the postman collects all the letters, envelopes and cards, and they will deliver the letters to the particular and correct place. The postman who travels throughout the city, and when we post the letter, the postman delivers the letters, money orders and envelopes to the correct and perfect place. Okay, children. So postman, he is a person who travel to the place, and see if they are not there at home also, they used to give a proper response to the particular person. So these are the work of postman. And to collect a post from for a particular place, see how the boy was enjoying, how the kid is enjoying. So comes to collect letters, sort stamps and send to different places in bags by buses, trains and planes. If there is no proper address, can the person delivers the post properly to the correct address? No. If there is no proper address, the person cannot post the letter or card or any money order to the particular address. So we need to write a particular address. What is that? It is a postal index number and the proper address. Postal index number, pin code. Pin code is a postal index number that we should write it in a proper way, and a correct address and correct pin code number. Okay, children. Next, a teacher teaches the children and she gives the knowledge. She teaches the good manners, and she is a person who makes the good citizens in the society. The teacher is very important in every life. Without teacher, the children cannot become such a good person in the society. Yes, children, very good. Every day you will also respect your teachers, right? In our school, our culture is that good morning, instead of wishing the teacher, you should say namaste. Yes, children. So how in our school we teach to the children namaste. Now the whole world is teaching to everyone to do namaste for everyone. We should not touch the hands. Yes, children. Very good. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is a person from Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh, and he is a philosopher, teacher in India, and he is also a president of India. He honored in United States as a Oxford University lecturer. He dedicated his birthday to teachers, that every teacher wants his day. So on his birthday, on September 5th, our teachers are celebrating a Teacher's Day. Teach the student. She gives the knowledge to the student. Without teacher, the student cannot make a good citizen in the society. teachers gives their knowledge. She monitors the students, and the teacher will lead the students. She is a person who can make the person in the society. Wow, the students are enjoying with their teacher. Every student love their teacher, and every teacher love their kids. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. He is an Indian president, and he is a philosopher, and he is a teacher, and he is a honorable minister, and he is also a honorable person who honored in United States of America in a United Oxford University as a lecturer. He is such a well honored person and well educated person. Really, children, he is a person who dedicate his birthday for the teachers to celebrate. Even teachers want their day to celebrate, so he dedicated his birthday for the teachers. On 15th September, every teacher will celebrate their Teachers' Day. Yes, children. Yes or no? Yes, no? We will celebrate in our school every 5th September Teachers' Day. Yes, very good. Till now we learned about the Teachers' Day. Now we are going to learn about a postman. Who is postman? Postman who delivers the letters to the particular address and correct address. Suppose if we will not post a correct address, if we will not write a correct address or proper pin code number, the post will not deliver through the postman. So we need to write a proper address, proper pin code number. What is pin code number? Pin code number is nothing but a index number. It is a number that is like, for example, 500056. Like this, the postal index number will be mentioned on the letter or on the postcard. If there will be no postal index number, the letter will be rejected. So you need to write a proper postal index number and also address. What is address? What is address? Address will be like in this form, like house number, colony name, street number, and the city name, and also state name. Telangana. Telangana is a state of children, our state name is Telangana. So without this all, we cannot deliver the letter. So this is the most important thing that we should mention in the letter or postcard or any parcel or money order. These are the things which we need to. Occupations which we discussed till now. Okay, children, so till here we will end up our session, and tomorrow we will start a new session, continue with the other occupations, like about what the people can make it. Till now we learned about only the people can do it. It is in action way, and that will be in a creative way. Okay, children. Okay, let's end our session. Okay, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.